Hi class, let's get started on our case study that we have for this week, week 7. In this case study, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the values and we're going to use a regression and the model to do this. So we're going to use it in Excel and we're going to first create a couple of dummy variables. But if you haven't done so right now, please go ahead and download the car values Excel file from the learning activities in week 7, case study 6. All right. I hope you've read the case study and you're ready to answer the first question. We're going to look at family sedans versus upscale sedans, and we're going to give them some dummy variables in there. The first 3 questions that we have in this case study are all going to be similar to this one. So I'm just going to show you how to do the first question, and then you can do questions 2, 3, and then I will help you with question number 4. So let's go ahead and let's go to our data analysis and click on that. If you go to data analysis, click on regression, and in here, let's go back a step because I did something prior to starting the video. And what I did was I put these dummy variables in here. And I'm just going to write dummy right there. And what I did was I gave small sedans and family sedans 1s, and then anything that was in the luxury or upscale sedan, I gave you 0. Okay, and we're going to define them so that we can have those cars. So I'm going to go back to my data analysis. I'm going to have my regression model in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what they ask me to do, and I'm going to leave labels off right now, and I'm going to take confidence level off as well in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click all my 1s and 0s, my dummy variables, and sometimes it will link down here. And then we have our next one. What I'm going to do is the price of the car and then the cost per mile per gallons, or what they asked us in there. All right, and I click too far. And then there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to do a new worksheet. And there I have it. I got my summary output in here as I'm going to look at this. And that is how we do the regression here. Go ahead and do that on your own. You have your multiple R here, and then we have some different numbers that will help us in there to help us solve for our equations in there. Now let's look at question 4. In there is that we're going to be using 2 dummy variables instead of only the 1. So if you have any questions on that, please let me know in that regard. And also you can look at the course outline, the report outline. Any questions or concerns, you know how to reach me. You can give me a phone call or give me a